All right. Hope everyone is doing okay. Welcome to this Zoom again. Saturday evening, Saturday morning, wherever you're from. I'm happy to see you all. So today, I don't want to keep this too long. Obviously, for some people, it's a Saturday evening. For some people, Saturday just started. So the weekend is important to take a rest. First off, we'll not talk about any charts today. Well, obviously, indirectly we will, but we will not talk about any Q&As or any stuff. I will just go over the higher time frame analyst topic of this week. So we'll close that off for now. Obviously, we'll still go over it in the next one because execution, higher time frame analyst, they go hand in hand. So we'll close high time frame analyst topic. Then we'll start the next topic, which is execution, which we'll get into right now after this. So I've made some notions as well. I will drop them as PDF in the Google Drive alongside the Zoom. So basically what we've done the past week with high time frame and analyst is know the highest probability direction right now based off the monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour. Have a routine. You can read all this, etc. The routine is as well your trading dashboard that you can personalize, and your journal. This is your routine. So your monthly analysis one times a month. Then on Sunday, Saturday, whatever you want to do in the weekend, your weekly analysis and your weekly review. Then throughout the week, you have your weekly journal, your daily things and stuff. So if you haven't watched the higher time frame analyst market reviews from this week and the market outlooks, I highly recommend you doing so, because it's very important to follow the structure that I set up. Even if you're already a bit more advanced, etc., still follow them, because we'll catch up with you. Because in 1 week, you're not going to become a great high time frame analyst. And if you already are on the execution phase, we'll just catch up with you. So don't worry about that. Then, etc., you can all read this. Also, there are a few exercises. I'll still go over this just to give a quick explanation. If price wants to continue higher or lower, off of which PDA should it likely continue higher or lower from, aka order flow. You see me do this in every market review. You see me say, okay, if price wants to go higher, where will it likely continue higher from? It won't break every discount rate before moving higher. It will probably take the most recent one and then continue higher. Then next step, focusing on the direction of the next candle. Always focus on the next candle. How will the next candle likely form? Very important. Then number 5, are we respecting, aka wicking? So we're just wicking, or disrespecting body close. You'll also hear me go over this as well in the videos. Where's your invalidation point? If it disrespects, then what's the next likely target? So you gotta have a plan for both sides. If your plan gets invalidated to one side, then what's the next thing to happen? And then I also said, wait, what do you do after an invalidation? Do you just wait? Do you want to see more price action? Tell yourself a story, which leads us to number 7, tell yourself a story. If price is going higher, it's likely going off of this PD array. If price disrespects that PD array, then it's likely doing this. Then I will wait, or I will do this. Then you make a plan and you execute. So again, very important. Also, the have a routine you go through. That's this one also for the monthly, etc. You can see my full trading plan as well for the routine I go through. And in the videos, you saw my routine as well. Then deep work sessions. This is very important. And this is what I'm convinced of. This led me to my understanding today. Deep work sessions is so personality based. It's something you will start to see things in the chart that you didn't see before. This is what a deep work session does. Now, for the deep work sessions, I have these simple exercises. Of course, you can make up your own exercises, etc. The first exercise is open a chart. Basically, open a chart, whatever chart you want, whatever pair you trade, preferably the pair you are planning on trading. Open a chart. Follow your steps on how to get a higher time frame doll. So this is the routine we talked about. Then 3, study how each next candle is forming in hindsight. Basically, you're constantly studying which PDA are we coming off of. Just the steps right here. Then the next thing you can do, if you do want and if you do have access to it, you can use the replay tool, of course, optional. You don't need to, but if you do have access to it, I would recommend it. So basically, you're just going from the 4-hour and everything above, and you're seeing how your analysis will play out. What will the 4-hour candle likely next to? What will the daily candle likely next to? What will the weekly candle likely next to? What will the monthly candle likely next to? You can even combine the time frames, etc. And then just see how accurate you were, see how things played out. Very important. Then exercise 2, it's the one I like the most as well. Open multiple charts. So this is purely focusing on higher time frame analysis for 1 week, not executing, not doing anything else. It is basically what I've done with the videos, and that's it. That's your exercise. Open multiple charts. So the charts I had on my screen as well, every Forex pair, all the bonds, treasury yields, the dollar, etc., etc., crypto even, everything you can think of. Forward testing by following your steps to get to a high time frame draw on liquidity. Again, these steps you're following, and the same thing I did in the market review videos. For 1 week, only study the higher time frame, 4-hour and above. So 4-hour and above is what we consider higher time frame. Every candle of the higher time frame is what you're going to be studying. How will it react? How will it play out, etc., etc. This is, of course, if you're still struggling with higher time frame analyst. If not, you can move on, but be aware that these exercises help you. Even if you are going to the next topic, execution, then you can still do this. As you've seen, I executed this week and I still did these exercises because we're always looking to improve, of course. Then forecast the moves, exact same thing as I did on the videos. You can use the journal here to forecast everything and to do your post-market analysis as well. Journal it once it happens and what you expect. Journal what happened. Speaks for itself. Again, use the journal, personalize it however you want. If you do have a notion yourself, then that's perfect. Then use it yourself. Move on to execution if you've done the higher time frame analysis steps and have watched the videos. Perfect. And have watched the videos. Please, it's very important to watch the videos, and not so certainly because you see me predict the moves, but you see my thought process, and that's very important. And my thought process is exactly this. It's these simple steps, and this is how I got a deeper understanding. Very easy, simple steps, and then going in the charts, either backtesting in hindsight, or using replay tool even, or just exercise 2 and forward testing. This is very important. So now that we've got this topic closed for now, of course, it's not completely closed because, like I said, for execution, we always need higher time frame analysis. So it's not fully closed. These steps will come back, and the steps are every day. Like I apply the steps every single day even. So